So now let's see how we can filter out the data that we have in the table right here by using the in operator in SQL Query inside of MS Access. So over here you can see that there's the table, and let's say I want to filter out the data which has skill level of basic right here. So to do that, I'm going to go around into create, and I'm going to click on query design right here and click on SQL. So once I do that, I'm going to go around and type in select right here and type in asterisk because I want to select out all the data. And I'm going to go around, press enter and say from, and type in the table name. So I'm just going to go around and type in prices right here. And once I do that, I'm going to go around and type in where right here, just like this. And I'm going to define out a particular field that is here. So I'm just going to go around and say where skill right here, just like this. And then I'm going to go around, press enter again. So it is going to select all of the data from the table prices where skill is in the basic level. So I want to open out the bracket right here, add in an inverted comma just like this. And I'm going to go around and say basic right here, just like this. So I'm going to say basic and add in an inverted comma again, close this out, and then end this off with a semicolon. So once I do that, I'm going to go to query design and hit run, and this is what you have, as you can see. So it has filtered out everything that is in the skill basic over here from the table and has displayed it out. If you want to, however, exclude the skill basic right there, then you can go to SQL view, and instead of in, you can just go around and say not in right here. So now if I were to run the SQL query, you can see that there is no basic skill level there anymore. So it has excluded out the basic skill level and only displayed out other data right there. And that is how you can use the in and not in operator inside of Microsoft Access SQL Query. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.